If you've lived in your Lake Norman home for 15 years or more, there's a number you probably haven't run yet, and it's costing you to wait. It's the number you'd actually walk away with if you sold today. Not the Zillow estimate, not what your neighbor said, the real number. And most people are stunned when they see it. In the next 3 minutes, I'm going to walk you through how we calculate that number, why most downsizers underestimate their own equity by tens of thousands of dollars, and the 4 steps we use to protect every dollar of it through the sale process. And if you stick around to the end, I'll show you how to get your own custom version, built around your specific home, your specific timeline, and your specific next chapter, free. I'm Wendy Atherton with Winston Dane at eXp Realty here in Lake Norman. For years, my team and I have specialized in helping people who've owned their home for 15, 20, 25 years sell it strategically while protecting every dollar of equity they've built. This isn't theory, this is the work we do every week. Recently, a client sat down with me who had been, quote, thinking about downsizing for a few years. She thought her home was worth around $600,000. It was actually worth $720,000. After agent fees and the concessions she was prepared to give, she thought she'd walk with maybe $480,000. The actual number was $631,000. She nearly cried because she had been telling herself she couldn't afford the next chapter, when the truth was she could afford it 3 years ago. She just hadn't run the numbers. Here's why most downsizers leave money on the table. They wait until they're emotionally ready to sell. And by the time they are, the house needs another $40,000 in repairs because maintenance has slipped, the market has shifted, and they're making a rushed decision instead of a strategic one. You don't downsize when you feel ready. You downsize when the math is right and you have a plan. Here's how we protect equity for every client. Step 1, real valuation, not online estimates. We walk through the home and compare it to what's actually sold in the last 90 days within a half mile of you. Step 2, net sheet. We back out every fee, every realistic concession, every repair, so you see the actual number you walk away with. Step 3, match the sales strategy to your equity goal. Traditional listing for maximum price. Our 7-day stress-free program for speed, or a hybrid. Each protects equity differently. Step 4, preempt the negotiation. We identify and fix the 2 to 3 things buyers will use against you before they ever walk through the door. This works because most downsizers aren't underwater. They're underinformed. The moment you see your real number, every other decision gets easier. If you want me to run those numbers on your home, what it's worth right now, what you'd net, and what your next chapter actually looks like financially, comment equity below. I'll send you my custom roadmap built specifically for Lake Norman downsizers. Takes 10 minutes. No call, no pressure, just a real number.